guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is Lovely of Lovely Budgets HK. So for today's video, what I'm going to do is save with friends. It's a group play saving challenges and one of the collaboration that I joined. So and also the exciting part of this one is I'm going to open up physical Happy Mail that I received last year and early this year. So let's wait for that. And before I open this one out, I will save some money first. So how much I will need to save here? It's 120, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120. And wait, there's more. I think I just found out today that I have here, still have some money. It's $25. I think this is my what's left on my tips last time that I do my cash tapping for my 52 weeks challenge, but I just keep it in here. So let's just put it together there. So for the first one, let's open this one. So this is my group play and collaboration binder. And for my collaboration, I already show it, I think last week. I'm part of this Saving Around the World and already finished January and February. And now we're starting to save for March. So Saving Around the World, March is we're picturing Indonesia. And this saving challenge, this was a creation of Miss at Emmy Wibowo. So that's her channel. You can check her out too if you want to check, if you want to get this free saving challenge. This is a whole year round. So it says here, or you see the map of Indonesia, they're dancing their traditional costume, and they're picturing their foods, their animals, of course durian, satay, komodo dragon, and nasi goreng wolar. It said here, save one for each icon, but instead of saving one, I will save $5 each icon. So let's save here, how many, one, two, three. Let's save here $20. Okay. And let's check it out. I'll just put a dot here, and I don't want to waste the beauty of this saving challenges. So this is a collaboration of 11, me and 11 more channel, which create, and the brain of this collaboration is Irene of the book and budgets. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I think I already tried this snake fruit. It's nice and sweet. So the bird of paradise. No, I never tried the coffee. I never been to Indonesia, so I hope soon I can go there. So durian, I like it, even though the smell is not that, or other is not good, that's okay. But for me, it's okay. I can take it. So satay, oh, nice satay, komodo. So this is our collaboration, and I save here $20. So I put it aside. So please, lovelies, check their channels. And for the dashboard, Irene already made a new one. So you can check Irene's of book and budget for the dashboard. Okay, and then let's go to the group play. So for group play, this is from Mamshi Queen, my cousin Mel. This is last year, but I haven't finished it yet. So I just continue saving for this one. And I don't know where I stop. I don't know where I stop. I forgot. So let's just restart it. I already saved here some here, but let's restart it. And I need a sketching tool, sketch off tool, and my okay. So two. So each heart is $2. So let's save $2. Six. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. $2. So four. One. So let's scratch off this. How much is it? So $3. So how much now? 2, 4 plus 3 is $7. $7. Let's do one more time. Then let's deal with it. So 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So $5. So let's calculate. 2, 4, 3. So 7 plus 5 is 12. So $12. And let's change this. Let's see if I have change here. Oh, I don't have change here. Here. Yay! I have change here. So let's put here $12 then. Just grab it there and let's mark where I stop so that I know. So I will put it X here. Okay, next one. Just put right down here. It's from Elaine of Elaine Realized. As you can see, I haven't finished it yet. But I'll try. Let's do like this first. So for Elaine Realize, I finished the front page from Wood and Winter, and this one I'll finish it now. So it's a roll and save. So make it 2. Let's finish this. 3, 1, 5, 3. So total of 5, 10, $14. So let's get the 20 and change of 6. So $14. Yeah, 5, 10, yeah, 14. So this challenge is done. Yay! So how much I save here? Only on this one, isn't it? Yeah, only on this one. So only on this challenge, I save 20, 40, 60, 80, $81. Yay! Come on, ring the bell. Ring the bell. Ring the bell. My bell. Yay! Long time I haven't sing. So this one, I'll keep it on the side. Hold on, hold on. Oh, it's broken now. It's broken now. My bag. No, I need this. Okay, one challenge done. So let's see. Let's scratch one here. Or, yeah, let's, let's scratch one here for a new one. So 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. $8. Okay, $8. And let's do one pow. So $1. So $9 total. This one is Woods. Okay. That's her pet. Ah, so cute and lovely pet. Hi Woods, I miss you. I haven't watched all. Okay, so total is $9. So eight, $9. Okay, $9. Next one is from Leos of Player's World. This one I haven't finished, so let's try to finish this now. This is a roll and save. So I forgot which month she got this, but anyway, I'm more forgetful now at this age. Sorry. So five, four, five. Oh, five again. Wow. So now 19, 6. Have enough money. 5. Lil, come on, Lil. Don't do it this to me too. 5. What? 5, 3, 4. I hope I have enough money and I don't owe anything. 6. Okay, let's count. I hope I have enough money. Okay, let's count it by thinking. 5, 10, 15. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So 30, 30. And then 10, 20, 25. Okay, 25. So 25. 30 plus 25 is 55. Okay, 55. So this is 55 minus. Okay, that's correct, right? Okay, let's total this one. I need my calculator. Hang on, hang on, hang on. Okay, my brain is not working well today, so let's calculate this together. So 6 plus 10 plus 4, 19 plus 10, 18 plus 10, 18. So total of 71. 7, yeah, okay. I'm correct. Uh, Another challenge done. You know what to do. Sing with me. Ring the bell. Ring the bell. My bell. Wee. I miss this. I really miss filming. But you know, sometimes life is lifing. Okay, so another set 2 challenge done. So for another group play, it's from Miss Al Thomas of Build Your Community. This is a word search, and I love word search. Let's do like this first. And let's see what I can find. So $1 per channel. And let's see here. I need some highlighter. I want highlighter. So I saw one, which is Tiny Budget Co. Easily. So $1. Say $1. $1. What else? Let's, where is it? Tiny Budget Co here. Ah, la, 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 la. Okay. And then, oh, Elaine realized. There. Elaine realized. So $2. Elaine realized. Here. Let's see how many I can find. Generate budgets. and their January budget, and then Jamie RN budgets, Jamie RN budgets, and then let's buy whatever I can find. Positive changes. Yeah, here, positive changes. Is it part of that? Yeah, positive changes. Oh, where are you? Where are you? Where are you? There. Positive changes. What else? Life. So let's found some what matter most. Help me, guy. Help me. Help me. Help me. Where's Lils? Where are you, Lils? Where are you? Okay, what I have to do is by letter A. Oh, it's not that easy. It's not that easy. My eyes is not doing well today. When you're on camera, you're rushing to found some some okay. I will stop here first. 1, 2, 3, 4. So five. So $5. So I save here $5 first, and I will search off cam. It's more easy for me. Okay. And then for this one is from Listen Less. So for this unless, so it said here, if you love this challenge, tag me on Instagram so I can celebrate your saving success. The goal is to roll 2 dice up to 5 times and avoid rolling a total of 9. If you roll a 9, you're out of the game and have to pay $15. If you don't roll a 9, you play either 1 or 2 depending on the sum of the dice. Okay, scoring low number 2 to 8. If the sum of unroll is between 2 to 8, pay $1. High number 10 to 12. If the sum of the roll is between 10 to 12, pay $2. Rolling a 9. If the sum is 9, you're out of the game and have to pay $15. Ooh. So this is not a two-player game. So alternatively, let's save 5, 10, and 15. Okay. That's one more. Okay, let's 5 times, right? Let's roll. So 4, 5. So $5. 9. I'm out of the game. You see that? So I only have $5 here. So let's color this. And this one, I'm out of the game. Out of the game. So I save here $5. Let's change this into coins. Okay. And let's put it back here. All right. And then we still have how much? $25. So let's play with mouse challenge then. So I can finish the money here. This one, I will disregard this because I already play with this one. So let's do this. So 6. Okay, let's clear up the table. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh no, I've done it, so no need. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 5. 5 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Scratch this out until I finish the money. So, wow, it's spicy. 10. So, 10 plus 5, it's 15. We still have some more money. 10. So, 5. Okay. So, 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's scratch this. So, 5. 18 now. So, 1, $2. 20. Right? 5, 15, 20, 22. 22. One more. So 2, 1, 2. Come on, come on. I just need $3. $3, please. $3. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Okay. So $5. So we end up here. So let's count again to make it right. Okay, so we start here then. 5 plus 10, 15, 20, 22 plus 5, 27. Okay. So I owe here $2. And what I will do is I'll grab $2 from this coin jar. So I don't owe anything. Yay! So I stop here. Please, I stop here. Stop. Okay. So now I got $27 additional for Mel's challenge. I will not count how much I save in here. So thank you so much, lovelies, for watching and staying with me and bearing with me. So, oh no, I forgot. We're opening a Happy Mail. Oh no, oh no. All right. This first Happy Mail is come from Bobby of Canadian's finance journey. So let's open it up. I cover my address, for security. And let's see what's inside. This a group play also. Okay. And let's see. Oh, wow, Piglet. I like Piglet. Winnie the Pooh team. Let's try this. Wow. Oh, I will use this. Wow. I saw it on her Coupon shop or I think Etsy, but I haven't printed yet or I haven't buy it yet. But I want to grab this and she gave me for free. Thank you, Bobby. Thank you so much. So this one, I will use it for my yearly saving challenges. So I will definitely use it. Thank you, thank you. Next. Dun, 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 dun. Up. It's a globe. Scratch off. Yay. Yay, thank you. Oh, I have another pen mark here. I will use it. Thank you so much, Bobby, for Christmas challenge. Christmas saving challenge. So this one and next one. It is fall yet. Oh, okay. Thank you, Bobby. It's for fall, so I will definitely use it for fall or for my mini saving challenge. And this one, I hope I can read it. It's small. Thank you so much for being a supporter of my YouTube channel and or coffee shop. I really appreciate you for being my friend on my budgeting journey. I have included in November fall roll and save challenge, a December and winter scratch of saving challenge, and a 2025 year of snake saving challenge where I will save 20 every week in 2025. However, you can adjust it to fit your budget. Okay, I definitely do the same. I will do 2020, but I will start, I think, if I have big leftover for our budget, I will do January, February, but let's start for March 1st and let's see how much my leftover so I can do January and February. So let's continue. $20 every week in 2025. However, you can adjust to fit your budget. Please make sure to use hashtag Canadians Group Play when post your video on your YouTube and tag me so I can follow along on your savings journey. Happy savings, Bobby. Thank you so much, Bobby. Thank you. Sorry, I opened it late, but I will use it soon. So for now, I probably use this one. And I really appreciate all your effort to send it to me. Thank you, Bobby. And God bless you. Okay, next one. And this is for my sis, Lil Sword, Lil Sword. Happy time, Lil Sword. I Lil, sorry. I hope you're doing well, Lils. I hope you're doing well, really. So this one, this one I already take a pic. Okay, this is her, I think November, December. Let's see. Welcome to Lose for Group Play. This group play will last 3 months, so roll and save each week to see how much you are saving. Please make sure you tag me on your videos you film and or come to my group play videos and let me know how much you are saving. Thank you for your continued support of my channel. Happy savings, happy holidays. Thank you, Lils. And one more. Let's open this one up. I don't want to broke the envelope. I'm so excited. I don't want to broke it, but it's unavoidable circumstances. Let's do this like this. And I hope I don't ruin what's inside. Hey, what's inside? I'm so excited. Okay, I will add up on my group play. Okay, let's do this. And maybe there's something inside. Let's see. Maybe, yeah, okay, this one is empty. And this one, dun. Sound effects. Sound. Okay, let's open the message first. Hello, friends. Thank you for joining my first quarter group play. Oh, this is first quarter. Okay. Challenge. This is a roll and save challenge, and it will last for 3 months. Roll one or two times a week and watch your savings grow. Make sure you tag me in your videos and come watch my group play videos and let me know how much you're saving. Happy savings. Salesforce 733. Okay, let's. Oh, wow. You know, Leos, you like avocado. Kawaii Kitikado. Oh, so nice. So cute. I love avocado too. So I will use it on this binder and I will use it next week. These two, maybe I'll finish this and I will use it this, or maybe I use this first and then this is later on. Let's see what's my decision later. Thank you so much, Lils. And the last two is from Gracie, Miss Gracie of Grammy's Journey. I don't know which one comes first, but let's open together. Let's open it both. I forgot which one comes first on my mailbox. Ah, I'm shaking. I'm so excited to do. All right. Let's open it up. Okay. Oh, some stickers. Let's open it up. Wow! Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Where's the other sticker I have? Okay, let's just put it aside. Oh, there. And let's open this. Happy Thanksgiving. Oh, I'm so late about this to open this one, but I will use it. Sorry about that, Miss Gracie, because I got so many on my plate this past few weeks since my mom have left Hong Kong for a few months. I think she will stay in Philippines for 3 to 4 months. So that's why there's a lot of my plates now, and working and doing mom's duty is really hard for me. Okay. Thank you so much, Miss Gracie, for this one. And sorry that I opened it late. I really love scratch off. And next one. Oh, this is a thank you gift from Miss Gracie. Miss Grammy's Journey. Thank you. These are the group play for November and December. You will be saving 32 for each challenge. Low denomination. I would love it if you could keep me updated on your savings adventure. Have fun savings. All right. Next one. I think this is the updated one. Okay. Okay. All right. Oh, wow. Nice. This is two-sided scratch off. Wow. Thank you so much, Miss Grace. Is so cute. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Happy Valentine's. Love is sweet. And this one, Happy New Year. Oh, it's 2 months, January and February. So I got December and November. So I got two. Okay. And the thank you card as well. Oh, this for joining. Thank you for joining my monthly group prayer. You will be getting a month of January, February together. Total will be saved for January is 40 and 38 for February. Please tell me. Okay. Thank you so much, Miss Grammy's Journey, Miss Gracie. So this is her channel at Grammy's Journey, and you can follow her on Instagram too. I'm following her on Instagram too, and she also have a coupon shop, I think. Yeah. So what I'm going to do about these challenges, I have empty spot here. Let's put it in here for. So this one formerly is from Lil. So let's put Lil's saving group play here. These two. Okay, I will do it next week, and I hope I'll be up. I can do running and update it, and I can catch up. And next one, I will this empty spot as well. So this one, I'll put Bobby, Bobby's group play, and next one, I will put Miss Grace's group play in here, and I have empty A5 envelope. Okay, here. And next week, I will use all of them. Yay! Whatever I finish, whatever I can do, I will do it here. All right. So make sure to follow all of the channels that I mentioned in here. And they are a great channel, and they're a great supporter. And for all of you who sending me through physical product or through my email, thank you so much. And really, I apologize for not being updated on this group play, and thank you for still watching my video and supporting my channel. So this 2025, I'll put it on my long-term saving challenge, which is actually here. Yeah, So I'll put it together in here. And I need a new envelope for this one. I will do all of this together. This one you can only see it once a month, and this one you can see it weekly. Okay. Thank you so much, lovelies, and hope you have a good day. God bless you all. Bye for now and see you later. Be humble and grateful. Blah, blah, blah. Be humble and grateful. Bye. Love ya. Make saving a habit. Bye.